Hi, this is Anora, and today I'm thrilled to introduce you to Emaar's latest launch in the Valley, in one of the most exciting and the family-friendly community. If you're looking for a modern townhouse with great connectivity, then this one is for you. Stick with me for just 5 minutes and I will tell you why this project is amazing. Emaar is launching its 2 new clusters in this community. Firstly is Kaya and Ala. Now both of these clusters offer big, spacious 3-bedroom middle units and 4-bedroom corner units. So let me tell you a little details about them. So let's start off with Kaya. Now 3-bedroom townhouses here you're getting for 2,300 square feet, prices starting from 2.7 million. 4-bedroom townhouses, which are the corner units with the starting size of 2,750 square feet, with the starting price of 3.29 million. Now that was Kaya. Now the units in their next cluster is quite bigger and the prices are also 100,000 dirhams more than the Kaya cluster. Here for the 3-bedroom townhouses, the prices are starting from 2.9 million, and for the 4 bedrooms, which are the corner units, the prices are started from 3.45 million. These are some of the largest townhouses that Valley has ever offered. Now here you're getting modern features. You're getting floor to ceiling windows. You have a beautiful lush garden and calm interiors which makes your living more comfortable. Now the plot size, if I come down to the plot size, you have plot size starting from 1,800 square feet to about 3,000 square feet. Now it's not just about the units, you have beautiful amenities also here. You have kids play area, gym, swimming pool, all this you're getting here in this community. The sports village here features football, pedal and tennis. And of course, their golden beach, farm market, cozy cafes and retail pavilions. It's a perfect setup for family to relax and connect. Now let's talk about the connectivity, because connectivity is a key here. You will just arrive to the major parts through the Dubai Al Ain Road just in 30 minutes. Now downtown is just 15 minutes away from you. You're just 20 minutes from Dubai International Airport and just 10 minutes from Academic City, which has the top schools and universities. And coming down to the payment plan, well, even on this cluster, Emaar is giving you a standard payment plan of 80-20, that is 80% during construction and 20% on handover. So now this 80% is spread 30% in the year 2025, and every year you'll be paying about 20%. Then on handover, you'll be paying 20%. The handover is in 2028. The Valley is really growing fast, and they've also had introduced villas over here, which got sold out immediately. If you see Eden, which was the first cluster in the Valley, got more than 100% appreciation. That's how sought after this community is. I mean, it's not only an investor perspective, it's also for the people who want to live with their families. There's easy accessibility to, you have schools, like I said, you have the Academic City right close to you. You have so many amenities right in this community. If you're looking for a home with amazing amenities, excellent interiors and great place to live in and great connectivity, not only for families as well as investors, then the EOIs are open now. If you want to know more, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.